So right now I'm building a plugin which is going to have two skills inside of it. One is going to be a renovation calculator similar to this one. All right, and so you can see you go from specific jobs in a renovation, a small roof replacement job, or mid replacement job, or a high end replacement job. So you go from the type of project and then the level within that type, and then you go to the age. Because remember, this is a cost calculator. See? So have to ask the relevant questions. So 2000 and newer, and then this bracket is older than that. And of course, the location matters. This says triad, so obviously it's local to my area. And this is the size. And when are you going to start? Because this is a lead magnet. This is for the not the roofing company, but the home renovation company to use in order to provide convenience. So this is what they will use as a tool that they can offer to people. And then in exchange for gathering that information to get an idea of what they need to have to get the job done, of course you collect their name and email. So now you have someone who you know what they want done, you know what time frame they're talking about getting it done, and you have their contact information. And so that's why this is this is a powerful lead magnet. And so that's why after putting this together, so first I looked at the instructions that I gave it in order to come up with this, and it was kind of raggedy. So I said, look, give me the perfect prompt in order to build what you built for me. And he gave me the prompt. And so then, and that's below in the comments. And then I said, well, all right, so now let's create a skill, two skills, one to, make this better, and even ask the people for input of a screenshot so that you will have the color you need to match wherever you're going to host this interactive cost calculator, and also ask you the location. So that way, if it's not you, the end user, who is using this cost calculator, then maybe for you guys who are helping the end user, then you can create these for multiple end users, if that makes sense. Because all you need to do is put in the region. Yeah, put in the region, because it has to do research first in order to create this. So you can put in the region and then put in the, well, for this one, you can just put in the region, and it's going to check the prices in that area in order to come up with the calculator. And then the other skill that's going to be inside this plugin is so that it is universal and it's not just for home renovation, it's for other home services. So now it has created the plugin. You can see the files that are in here and the skills that are in here. So now we're going to come over here and we're going to save the plugin.